today, BNN is being sued for defamation. As the plaintiff, it is our burden to prove the elements of defamation through clear and convincing evidence. We will prove that BNN intentionally published a false and defamatory statement about Drew Walton, causing her harm. My high school didn't have a mock trial team. I knew when I was applying to colleges that was something that I was really interested in. So when I got into USC, I went to the mock trial website, I emailed the coach, and I asked him about how to get involved.
As far as excluding witnesses per 615, all non-testifying witnesses.
I practice law in Los Angeles. I'm a civil rights attorney. I came to USC and basically started a mock trial team here.
Mock trial is a program that you have to try out for. And when you're admitted to the team, you register for a class in the political science department.
Anyone can be part of the team. You don't have to be part of any particular school or college or major.
I think the USC Mock Trial Team is good for anybody who wants to explore doing public interest work, who wants to explore developing their public speaking skills, and who wants to explore the idea of going to law school.
The first half of the year, it's really learning about the rules of evidence, criminal procedure, learning about the law, and then once we start our competitive season, we're meeting to scrimmage. We were lucky enough to be able to use the moot courtroom in the law school, which is great because you get to be in a courtroom and it really sets the scene well.
Drew Walton's a national celebrity. We cover him all the time. I mean, the viewers love Drew Walton. It's funny because the coverage is real negative.
We just go through the entire trial and one of our coaches will be judging.
Stephanie Phillips for the plaintiff. May I proceed?
You may.
And did you ever see Drew Walton that night?
It's not a completely memorized activity. You have to think on your feet, and a lot of it is about speaking loudly and slowly and really how you present the case. At the regional, you compete with the best teams on the West Coast.
Fran Martin is specifically testifying to specialized knowledge and therefore must meet the requirements of Rule 702 of the expert witness.
What part of it is specialized knowledge?
She's testifying to standards of journalism, Your Honor, and this would consider to be specialized knowledge, and opposing counsel has not met any of the prongs for this witness to testify to her opinion.
I joined the mock trial team in the fall of 2002. I competed during my junior and senior year. Being on the team definitely helped me arrive at what I'm doing now. I can say with certainty that I definitely wouldn't be a trial lawyer if I had not been a part of the mock trial program, because the skills that I learned and a lot of the talent that I learned that I had, I found out about through the mock trial program. During my interview with the public defender's office, one of the things that was a big topic of conversation was both my membership on the undergraduate mock trial team at USC and my continuing to coach them. It was definitely a big highlight for them to see someone coming out of law school who had done trial advocacy work for 5 years, not just 1 or 2 years in law school.
The mock trial team has been very successful. Our first year, we captured the first place trophy at the American Intercollegiate Mock Trial Tournament. And since then, we typically rank either top 5 or sometimes top 10 in national rankings out of 560 teams.
After the debate, you went out to your car.
Yes.
In fact, you were getting into your car
Yes.
when you heard Lane Hamilton from the other side of the parking lot.
Yes.
Another measure of our success is our rate of scholarships for our students who are moving on to law school. Since 2006, 100% of our law school bound graduates have received scholarship offers to 1 or more law schools.
I consider Olu Orange and the mock trial program to really be the reason why I've taken the career path that I have, and it's a career path that I'm very satisfied with.
This time, Your Honor, the plaintiff has no further questions.